For today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this awesome whehehe EXO shirt. Supplies you'll need, which I actually forgot to lay out at first, are a black t-shirt in your preferred size, a large piece of cardboard, the whehehe template, which you can find on my website, white fabric paint and a paintbrush, tape and scissors, and a star-shaped hole punch. Stretch the shirt over the cardboard so it becomes flat and easy to paint on. Then take the whehehe template and cut out the words. For the 8s and the O's, you'll also want to cut out the middle squares. Once you have that, just tape the stencils down to your shirt. Also tape portions of the words down as well. Then start painting. Start from the outer edge of the stencil and move in so the paint doesn't get underneath. Then you can peel off the paper. This is where I went like Super Adrian Monk on it and painted over the words and fixed them up a little and such. It took a while, but it definitely made the shirt look more put together. Then just do the same thing with the 8s. I ended up just putting the paint directly on the shirt since it took so offensively long. Now you can punch a star out of some leftover paper and cut it so it creates a little stamp. Use this as a stencil for the stars on the shoulders. This part went really fast and it really finishes off the whole thing. So there you have it. If you end up making one, be sure to show me on Instagram or Twitter. I'd love to see it. As always, thanks for watching.